introduce una to this gadget wey they call spy button. Wey una go fit take dey record everything wey dey happen during the day and during the night. Una fit take am take clear picture, record voice, even record video, regardless of time and day. And as e dey so, e come with this code wey be say after una don record, you fit connect am to your laptop to watch everything wey you don record, or you fit comot the memory card wey dey here. Once you comot the memory card, you fit put am directly to your phone to take watch everything instantly wey you don record. And you know say once you wan comot for your house, e dey very easy to use. Just attach am to your clothes for here. Either you dey wear shirt, you dey wear native, or you dey wear suit. And once you don button am for your clothes, you don see am. You fit dey do your daily activities regardless of anything. If anything just come up, maybe you dey for private meeting, you go for ceremony, or you even dey for life-threatening situation, just long press the button for center. It go vibrate, it don start to dey record. So nobody go even suspect say anything dey happen. I know say you go like to get am, and e dey limited in availability for our office for now. So if you wan really get am, just click on the link below to take get the details on how you go take get am. Thank you. I want to introduce.
Fara lakin video sun fara lakin na zuwa Maryam Bot ta yi lakin sanatan nan ya yi lakin kowa ma ya yi lakin Saudi na da lakin daga na shiga cikin wajen shi ne za a dauke ni ai ba su kyauta mun ba kai ga wakan da babu shiri daga shiga gari babu shiri kidan da babu shiri aikin ganya ne.
Ina masu comment wanda suke ganin ko su shiga comment section din mutum su zo suna mishi wani comment na jahilci na dakikanci, ina daidai da ku. Duk wanda ya ga post din da nayi ko comment din da nayi bai masa ba, yayi unfollowing ina. Kana gaya mun magana banza sai na gaya kakar da ta haifi uwar baban uwarka magana, kuma in yi blocking ɗinka. A gidan ubanku Allah ya ce a nuna tsaraicin mutum, sai ku dinga ci da addini kuna zaluntan kanku. Ku shigo comment section din mutum ku zo kuna mishi rashin albarka. Wallahi duk wanda sai ka ji sai mutum ya bada amsa, la yan fim fa ke fa yan fim ce zaki ba uban baban ka, yan fim ba mutum bane, ko ba uwa bace ko uba bace ta haife shi, ko katanga ne mu da za ku ta gaya mana magana ku ce ba za a ba ku amsa ba, kawai ku ce yan fim. Duk dan iskan da ya shigo comment section ina mun magana banza sai na gaya kakar da ta haifi uwar baban ubansa magana, kuma in yi blocking ɗinsa. You are very stupid.
Us has troubles in his life. Every single one of us has made mistakes. Every single one of us is a sinner. And every single one of us is hopeful and wishful that when I stand before Allah on the day of resurrection, Allah's going to turn a blind eye and forgive all my sins. Yet you can't even forgive the person you grew up with for years of your life for one issue. You can't even forgive.